Hello mga kalike, this is Bio Vibes!
Hey Bio Vibes crew! Today, tackling one of biology's most incredible mysteries.
Mysteries?
Endosymbiosis. Ever wonder how our complex cells evolve? Get ready for a deep dive to the story of how tiny cells team up, create the building blocks of life.
That's right, we're talking about a partnership so successful, it changed the course of life on Earth. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of evolution and the origin of complex life.
There's strong evidence supporting this theory according to Dr. Lynn Margulis. Mitochondria and chloroplast have their own circular DNA, separate from the cell nucleus. Unlike the linear DNA found in the nucleus, their DNA is circular, similar to bacterial genomes. They reproduce independently inside cells by dividing, similar to bacteria. Mitochondria and chloroplasts multiply through a process like bacterial binary fission, allowing them to increase their numbers within the cell independently of the cell's own division cycles. Their double membranes resemble those of bacteria engulfed by a host cell. Both organelles have two membranes, an inner membrane similar to bacterial membranes, and an outer membrane derived from the host cell's engulfing process. These double membrane structures support the idea of these organelles originated from bacteria that were engulfed but not digested by ancestral.
Imagine a larger Asian cell swallowing a smaller one. But this isn't a predator-prey scenario. The smaller bacteria offered something essential: energy production or photosynthesis, in exchange for protection and resources from the larger cell.
It's like teaming up with a friend who has skills you don't. Together, you accomplish more!
Endosymbiosis is a revolutionary theory explaining how certain organelles within our cell, like the energy-producing mitochondria and in plants, the food-making chloroplasts, actually began as independent bacteria. Millions of years ago, these bacteria were engulfed by larger cells, but instead of being digested, they forged a remarkable partnership. They reproduce independently inside cells by dividing, similar to bacteria.
See the similarities? These clues strongly support that mitochondria and chloroplasts were once free-living bacteria.
This discovery revolutionized our understanding of evolution and the origin of complex life.
So, we've explored this amazing ancient partnership. But why is it still relevant today?
Chloroplasts are the solar panels of plants, providing the energy we need to survive, converting sunlight into food.
Endosymbiosis shows us how cooperation at the cellular level shaped the evolution of life, creating the integrated web of life we see around us.
Always check your facts, use reliable source, and explain complex ideas. Simplify to avoid misinformation.
Science evolves as we learn more. So stay curious and open-minded.
As content creators, sharing science like endosymbiosis means we must be accurate.
Like cells, partnering and sharing strengths. We grow stronger by working with others and learning from different experiences.
Success comes from supportive relationship where everyone contributes their unique skills. Just like how cells evolve together, personal growth is ongoing, needing openness to change and reflection.
So, symbiosis reminds us to be curious, collaborative, and responsible in our personal journey.
So, there you have it. The incredible story of endosymbiosis, tiny cells teaming up billions of years ago to create all the amazing life we see today. Pretty cool, right?
Stay curious, stay responsible, and keep exploring the awesome world of science!